Igbo women are known to be some of the most beautiful women in Nigeria. They are incredibly diverse in appearance, but there are some common physical and cultural features often associated with them. Features often noted among Igbo women include smooth skin, usually ranging anywhere from medium, light, and deep brown to yellow, and even pale or reddish. Facial structure, very well-defined high cheekbones and symmetrical faces. Igbo women's lips are usually very full and well-defined. Many Igbo women have striking almond or oval-shaped eyes that are mysterious, piercing, expressive, or bright. Igbo women's nose shape varies from round to straight and broad. Igbo women's bodies vary, however, many Igbo women are naturally shapely and strong-boned. Many are curvy, thick, or hourglass-shaped, and some are very slim, tall, and slender also. Most Igbo women's natural hair is thick, coily, and kinky textured, although there are some outliers. Igbo women tend to also have more body hair than other West African ethnic groups. Keep in mind these are general trends, not strict rules, since beauty and genetics vary across the ethnic group.
Guys, this is why you go to Africa to find your wife. Just look at my wife. She's 10 out of 10 in looks, 10 out of 10 in the kitchen, a baddie who prays and loves Jesus.
Which tribe in Nigeria has the finest girls?
Igbo girls. What is all that big thing, Yasha?